Welcome to the Finance Club. In this video we are going to talk about dividend stocks for passive income. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Number 10. Altria Group Incorporated. Altria Group Incorporated is the first company on our list of the top 10 greatest passive income stocks for 2021. NYSE, MO. With brands including Marlboro and John Middleton, Altria Group Incorporated is one of the biggest manufacturers of tobacco, cigarettes, and associated goods. For at least 50 years, the business has raised its dividend. In the first quarter of 2021, Altria Group Incorporated, NYSE, MO, reported a net income of $1.42 billion, down from $1.55 billion in the first quarter of 2020. MO stock is now trading at $49.36, with a PE ratio of 21.18. Currently, the dividend yield is at 6.99%. Altria Group Incorporated, NYSE, MO, has a 52-week price range of $35.83-52.59. MO stock has increased by 22% in the past year. Morgan Stanley maintained its overweight rating on Altria Group Incorporated and increased its price target to $52 on May 10. Number 9. International Business Machine. In 2021, International Business Machines, NYSE, IBM, is ranked 9th among the top 10 greatest passive income investments. The New York-based technology firm serves customers in over 175 countries across the globe. The business announced earlier this year that it would buy IT firm Towse Mountain LLC in a deal anticipated to complete this quarter. Amazon.com, Incorporated, NASDAQ, AMZ and Amazon, S Web Services, Alphabet Incorporated, NASDAQ, GOOGL Google, S Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Corporation, NASDAQ, MSFT Azure, S are among the main cloud providers with whom Towse Mountain LLC has partnered. IBM would be able to strengthen relationships with major public cloud service providers as a result of the purchase. In the first quarter of 2021, International Business Machines, NYSE, IBM, reported sales of $17.7 billion, up 1% from the previous year. IBM stock is now trading at $144.19, with a PE ratio of 24.12. 4.55% is the current dividend yield. International Business Machine, NYSE, IBM, has a 52-week price range of $105.92-148.74. Over the past year, IBM stock has increased by 11%. Credit Suisse maintained its outperform rating on IBM and increased its price target to $165 on April 20th. Number 8. 3M Company. 3M Company is ranked 8th among the top 10 greatest passive income investments for 2021. NYSE, MMM. The global corporation, headquartered in Minnesota, is a science-based business that develops creative solutions to enhance daily life. Post-it, Scotch-Brite, Nexcare, and Futuro are among the businesses owned by 3M. With the purchase of medical equipment firm Acelity Incorporated in 2019, the business completed one of its largest acquisitions ever. 3M's position as the industry leader in advanced wound care is cemented with this purchase. 3M Company, NYSE, MMM, reported $1.4 billion in GAAP net sales in the first quarter of 2021, up 9.8% from the same period in 2020. MMM stock is now trading at $203.20, with a PE ratio of 21.69. 2.91% is the current dividend yield. 3M Company, NYSE, MMM, has a 52-week price range of $148.80-208.95. MMM stock has increased by 26% in the past year. 3M Company, NYSE, MMM, is one of the top passive income stocks in 2021, much like ExxonMobil Corporation, NYSE, XOM, the Procter & Gamble Company, NYSE, PG, Microsoft Corporation, NASDAQ, MSFT and Apple Inc., NASDAQ, AAPL. Number 7. Chevron Corporation. Chevron Corporation, a global oil company, is ranked 7th on our list of the top 10 best passive income investments for 2021. NYSE, CVX. The oil and natural gas company has service stations all around the globe. The business has 6,732 outlets in 2,069 cities in the United States alone. Nobel Energy, an independent oil and natural gas business, was acquired by the corporation in 2020. The deal enabled the firm to leverage its U.S. holdings, as well as offshore assets in Equatorial Guinea, West Africa, and the Eastern Mediterranean. Chevron Corporation, NYSE, CVX, reported $131 billion in operational revenue in the first quarter of 2021, up from $30 billion the previous year. CVX has a P/E ratio of 16.6, and is now trading at $106.65. 5.16% is the current dividend yield. Chevron Corporation, NYSE, CVX, has a 52-week price range of $65.16-113.11. CVX stock has increased by 9% in the past year. Number 6. Emerson Electric Company. Emerson Electric Company is ranked 6th on our list of the top 10 greatest passive income investments for 2021. NYSE, EMR. The Missouri-based worldwide technology, software, and engineering business was established in 1890 and owns AMS Suites, Alco Controls, Aperture, and American Governor Company, among other companies. Intelligent Platforms from General Electric Company are one of the company's most recent acquisitions. NYSE, GE. Emerson Electric Company will be able to expand its skills in machine control and discrete applications as a result of the purchase. In the first quarter of 2021, Emerson Electric Company, NYSE, EMR, reported GAAP net sales of $4.2 billion, which was unchanged from the same time in 2020. EMR stock is now trading at $97.10, with a P/E ratio of 27.39. 2.11% is the current dividend yield. Emerson Electric Company, NYSE, EMR, has a 52-week price range of $58.67-97.24. EMR stock has increased by 54% in the past year. Number 5. Lockheed Martin Corporation. Lockheed Martin Corporation is ranked 5th on our list of the top 10 greatest passive income investments for 2021. NYSE, LMT. The worldwide security and aerospace business with headquarters in Maryland manufactures sophisticated technological systems such as airplanes, space launches, satellites, and defense systems. For the last 18 years, the company's dividend has been raised every year. Lockheed Martin Corporation agreed to purchase Aerojet Rocketdyne Holdings Incorporated, NYSE, AJRD, in a binding agreement in 2020, with the transaction anticipated to complete in the second half of 2021. The purchase will enable the business to strengthen its domestic military-industrial base while reducing costs for our customers and taxpayers. In the first quarter of 2021, Lockheed Martin Corporation, NYSE, LMT, reported net sales of $16.3 billion, up from $15.7 billion in the same time of 2020. LMT stock is now trading at $385, with a P/E of 15.54. 2.72% is the current dividend yield. Lockheed Martin Corporation, NYSE, LMT, has a 52-week price range of $319.81-417.62. LMT's stock has increased by 12% in the past 3 months. Number 4. AT&T Inc. AT&T Incorporated, NYSE, a telecommunications firm headquartered in Texas, comes in 4th on our list of the top 10 best passive income stocks for 2021. Since its inception in 1983, the business has grown to approximately 182.56 million active customers. AT&T Incorporated has increased dividends over the last 30 years. However, after the conclusion of the Warner Media spin-off, the firm revealed intentions to resize its payouts earlier this month. Despite the dividend reduction, the firm thinks AT&T Incorporated will continue to pay a very high dividend, with a yield in the top 95% of dividend payers. AT&T Incorporated, NYSE, reported $8.5 billion in sales in the first quarter of 2021, up 9.8% from the same quarter in 2020. T shares are now trading at $29.61, with a PE ratio of 9.16. The dividend yield is now 7.07%. AT&T Incorporated, NYSE, has a 52-week price range of $26.35-33.88. T's stock has increased by 3% in the past 3 months. Number 3. Pfizer Inc. Pfizer Incorporated comes in third on our ranking of the top 10 greatest passive income investments for 2021. NYSE, PFE. Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine is one of the many healthcare products offered by the global pharmaceutical company, which was established in 1849. The vaccination, as well as vaccines developed by well-known healthcare firms such as Johnson & Johnson, NYSE, J&J, and Moderna Incorporated, NASDAQ, mRNA, have all shown their efficacy in combating the COVID-19 virus. The Pfizer vaccine, on the other hand, has been proven to be 95% effective in preventing symptomatic COVID infection. Pfizer Incorporated, NYSE, PFE, reported $14.6 billion in sales in the first quarter of 2021, up from $13.51 billion anticipated. The increase in overall revenue was mostly due to an increase in COVID-19 vaccine sales, which accounted for $3.5 billion of total revenue. PFE stock is now trading at $38.79, with a PE of 19.65. 4.05% is the current dividend yield. Pfizer Incorporated, NYSE, PFE, has a 52-week price range of $29.99-43.08. PFE's stock has increased by 13% in the past year. Number 2. McDonalds Corporation. McDonald's Corporation comes in second on our list of the top 10 greatest passive income stocks for 2021. NYSE, MCD. The American fast food chain, headquartered in Illinois, was established in 1955, and now has over 39,198 locations globally. Apprent, an AI startup, was purchased by the company in 2019. Apprent utilizes artificial intelligence, AI, to automate voice-based ordering in a variety of languages, allowing McDonald's to improve its voice-activated drive-thru, mobile, and kiosk ordering. McDonald's Corporation, NYSE, MCD, reported $5.12 billion in sales in the first quarter of 2021, up from $5.03 billion anticipated. MCD stock is presently trading at $233, with a PE of 33.93. 2.21% is the current dividend yield. McDonald's Corporation, NYSE, MCD, has a 52-week price range of $178.88-238.18. Over the past year, MCD's stock has increased by 20%. Number 1. J.P. Morgan Chase & Company. J.P. Morgan Chase & Company is ranked first among the top 10 greatest passive income stocks for 2021. NYSE, JPM. Over 32,800 clients are served by the New York-based financial services holding firm. Instamed, a medical technology business, was one of the corporation's largest purchases, valued at over $500 million. J.P. Morgan was able to expand its healthcare business in the United States as a result of the 2019 purchase. J.P. Morgan Chase & Company, NYSE, JPM, reported $8.1 billion in net income in the first quarter of 2021, up from $4.0 billion the previous year. JPM shares are presently trading for $166, with a PE ratio of 13.17. 2.17% is the current dividend yield. J.P. Morgan Chase & Company, NYSE, JPM, has a 52-week price range of $90.78-167.44. JP Morgan Chase's stock has increased by 59% in the past year. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comments.